That cowardly bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
A chainsaw? It's a devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way. You're hurt. Death's coming for both of us, huh? Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got. If you don't want to die, then bite me! My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor. Because, like you, I'd rather not die yet.